Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm hopping on today and I'm gonna chalk this new transfer. It's part of the Kickstart bundle that you can find on my website, and I'll tell you about that in just a second. Hey, Tiffany. So my name is Nikki Godwin. I'm a master mentor with Chalk Couture, and all the products I'm gonna use today are with Chalk Couture. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. This is our silkscreen transfers. Now our silkscreen transfers are reusable. They come in this resealable packaging. They have instructions on the back that tell you all the use and care so that you can keep your transfers and reuse them over and over again. So as you come in, say hello. Give me some thumbs up or some hearts so I know you guys can hear me. I'm going to take this out of the packaging and I'm going to go ahead and get it cut apart. All of our transfers, the larger ones, larger than size, well, even some of the size A, they have these white cut lines here, and that's so that you can cut the designs and mix and match them so that you can use them on different projects. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this cut apart, and then I will show you guys how to place these on your chalkboards. I love it too. And I love that they're offering this in the on a bundle so that you can try it out with sample paste before you decide to go all in and buy a bunch of stuff. So kind of gives you an opportunity to check it out and see what Chalk Couture is all about. Oh, I love your icon. Is that your wedding? It's really pretty. Okay, you guys, so when you get these cut apart, they come on what's called our backer sheets. Now on the back is a matte side. This side is the side that you want to make sure that you're not putting your transfer on. You want to make sure that when you are putting your transfer on these backer sheets, there is a shiny side. That's the side that you want to make sure that you're putting this transfer back on. So when you pull this transfer, because it is fabric, you want to make sure that you're pulling left to right or top to bottom. You never want to pull corner to corner. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull this off, and then I'll just set this backer sheet aside. And I'm going to fuzz this on just a microfiber towel. And what I mean by fuzzing it is I'm just going to pick up a little bit of lint on the adhesive side because this is a brand new transfer. They have a tendency to be really, really sticky. Hey, birthday girl. Hey, Devonna. So you just want to make sure that you are picking up some lint so that it kind of breaks up that adhesive on the back and you can get it off your board easier. So I'm just going to add this on here. I had to come on earlier today because I have a team meeting tonight at 9 o'clock, so I wanted to make sure that I got a live in this week. So I figured, well, it's rainy and there's nothing else to do here. Maybe you guys are inside, so I figured I'd go ahead and jump on live and hopefully catch a few of you guys. And I'm just laying this down and picking up lint as I go. I'm going to put this on our Grayson board. That Grayson board is a reusable surface. I had it decorated for Christmas and I just took that off, and now I'm going to add this on it. I'm going to kind of do a pastel palette for this so that it gets me through Valentine's Day and probably Easter. I might take it off to do something for St. Patrick's Day. We'll see. The luck of the Irish. Got to have a little luck of the Irish in the house. All right. So now that I've got that fuzzed, I'm going to center this and put it on my board. So all I'm doing, because everywhere that is clear actually has a silk screen, and that's what you're going to put your paste through, and everywhere that's green is adhesive on the back. So our transfers are pressure sensitive, so when you put this down, you don't have to go over the entire green area. You just really want to go around where you have the letters or your design, because you want to make sure that you've got really good contact around those so that your paste doesn't bleed through underneath and that you get nice crisp lines. Looks straight enough, right? Is it crooked? Can't tell. I think it looks pretty straight. Let's see. I think so. All right, so I'm going to do this. Let's see. I could either do it in custard or I could do it in white. And then I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do the Cool Breeze and then Cherry Blossom. Yeah, you don't have to make the whole thing smooth. The only thing you really want to be concerned about is to make sure you don't have air bubbles that is really located in the screen print or the screen area. So when you're putting it on something that's got, hey Nikki, when you're putting this on something that has a rounded edge to it,